Today we're in Sakon Nakhon. This is the big market. Apple says it's video worthy. I have no idea. I've never been here.
But we will try.
So we'll see what we see.
Right.
I just bought this bird. How much did we pay? Like $3? So I just bought him because I'm going to take him home and let him go. His wings are good, his legs are good, everything's good, and I just feel really bad. So we're going to give him his life back. $3.
Natural catfish that caught it around this river. I mean the river around this area. That meat is really good.
That stuff is my favorite. It's like a rice-filled sausage, like noodles or rice noodles inside. It's really, really good. Whenever I see it, I can't bypass that. It's good stuff. Okay, you guys, that was a pretty interesting market. They had a lot of stuff, a lot of insects. It rained yesterday, so that's the reason there were so many frogs available for sale. That's all food items. I'm pretty stoked that I got this bird. I have high hopes that it's in really good shape. I hope it's not too stressed out. I'm trying to cradle it and kind of shield it from all the stuff going on with us walking around. But he seems super healthy, and I'm looking forward to letting him go and give him his life back. So anyway, hopefully this will go right and it'll be our good deed for the day. All right, and I'll show the release, I hope. Okay, you guys, so this is a white vented mynah bird that I bought at the marketplace. I showed you guys. $3. He's in really, really good condition and a lot of energy here in the bag on the way home, and I have a lot of confidence that he's gonna be okay and will survive on his own. So we are gonna set him free, get one last good look. Good luck. Here we go. Go ahead. There he goes. Good luck. Okay, and that's it. Good luck. Remember this house if you ever want to come back. You have friends here. And that's it. That's our good deed for the day.